SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM. Online training. Learn from experts and update your knowledge and skills with ProExcellency. Introduction to SAP SLCM. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, is an all-in-one software solution designed to assist educational institutions in overseeing every aspect of a student's academic journey, from enrollment to graduation. With SLCM, educational institutions can efficiently handle student records, admissions, course registration, grades, academic progression, financial aid, and reporting, all in one convenient platform. Key elements of SAP SLCM. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, offers a comprehensive set of features tailored to the needs of educational institutions. Here's a simplified breakdown of its key elements. Student records. SAP SLCM keeps track of student information, including demographics, enrollment details, academic progress, and financial aid records. Admissions. It streamlines the admissions process, from online applications to admission decisions. Course registration. Students can conveniently register for courses online and monitor their enrollment status. Grading and progress. Instructors can input grades, and students can keep tabs on their academic progress. Financial aid. Managing financial aid, including scholarships, grants, and student loans, is made easier. Reporting. SAP SLCM offers various reports for monitoring enrollment, academic advancement, and financial aid. Additional features include integration, seamless integration with other SAP solutions, like ERP and CRM, for a holistic student experience. Self-service portal. A user-friendly portal empowers students to access and update their records. Mobile app. Students can access and manage their enrollment on the go. Student support. Tools to assist students with academic and financial aid queries. Compliance. Ensures institutions adhere to regulations such as FERPA and Title IX. Security. Robust security measures safeguard student data. In summary, SAP SLCM is a versatile solution that enhances efficiency, effectiveness, and student service throughout the entire student life cycle, from admission to graduation. The benefits of using SAP SLCM. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, offers a range of valuable advantages to educational institutions. Enhanced student experience. SAP SLCM simplifies the student journey by consolidating all academic aspects, from enrollment to graduation, into one user-friendly platform. This improves accessibility to information and services, streamlining processes like course registration and financial aid requests for a better student experience. Boosted efficiency and productivity. Educational institutions benefit from automation in tasks like student record maintenance and reporting, freeing up valuable staff time and resources. This enables staff to focus more on teaching and supporting students. Informed decision-making. SAP SLCM equips educational institutions with powerful data and analytics tools. This data can inform better decisions regarding programs and services. For example, tracking student retention rates, identifying performance trends, and evaluating program effectiveness become more efficient. Cost savings. Through process streamlining and automation, SAP SLCM helps reduce operational costs. Increased efficiency and productivity further contribute to cost savings. Improved compliance. Educational institutions can rely on SAP SLCM to meet government regulations and standards. It aids in tracking student financial aid eligibility and ensures academic requirements are met. Moreover, SAP SLCM offers specific benefits to various departments within an educational institution. Admissions Office. streamlines the admissions process, and manages student applications more efficiently. Registrar's Office tracks student records and generates transcripts and reports seamlessly. Financial Aid Office manages student financial aid applications and monitors financial aid eligibility effectively. In conclusion, SAP SLCM provides numerous advantages to educational institutions, regardless of their size. It enhances the student experience, increases operational efficiency, supports data-driven decisions, reduces costs, and ensures compliance with regulatory standards. The features of using SAP SLCM. SAP Student Life Cycle Management, SLCM, is a holistic solution designed to streamline all aspects of a student's journey, from enrollment to graduation. It offers a wide array of features, including student records. SAP SLCM acts as a centralized hub for managing student records, encompassing personal data, academic history, and financial aid information. Admissions. It facilitates the admissions process, from online applications to admission decisions. Course registration. Students can easily register for courses and manage their schedules with SAP SLCM. Grading and progress tracking. Instructors can effortlessly monitor student grades and academic progress. Financial aid. Institutions can efficiently manage student financial aid. Reporting. SAP SLCM generates a variety of reports for tracking student enrollment, academic progress, and financial aid status. Beyond these core functions, SAP SLCM offers advanced features like Student Self-Service Portal, empowering students with a portal to access records, register for courses, and make tuition payments. Mobile app. A mobile app allows students to conveniently access their information and register for courses on the go. Integration with SAP solutions. Seamless integration with other SAP solutions, like SAP ERP and SAP HCM, ensures a unified student experience. Benefits of SAP SLCM. Enhanced efficiency. Automating manual tasks, such as record keeping and admissions, frees up staff for strategic endeavors. Improved student services. The self-service portal and mobile app enhance the student experience and reduce the workload on staff. Data accuracy. Centralized data storage improves accuracy and reporting. Visibility and control. Institutions gain a comprehensive view of student data, aiding in trend identification and resource allocation. In summary, SAP SLCM empowers educational institutions to operate more efficiently, deliver superior student services, and make data-driven decisions. It's a robust solution for optimizing the entire student life cycle. The challenges of using SAP SLCM. Using SAP Student Life Cycle Management, SLCM, comes with its fair share of challenges, but with the right approach, institutions can harness its potential for improving student services. Here's a simplified breakdown. Challenges. Complexity. SAP SLCM is intricate, especially for those unfamiliar with SAP software. Cost. Implementing SAP SLCM can strain limited budgets. Integration. Linking SAP SLCM with other systems can be time-consuming. Training. Users need proper training, which can be resource-intensive. Support. Reliable support for complex SAP SLCM may be lacking. Specific challenges. Configuration. Tailoring SAP SLCM to specific needs can be challenging. Custom reports. Generating custom reports may not be straightforward. Automation. Automating tasks like admissions or registration may require effort. Troubleshooting. Addressing issues with SAP SLCM can be tricky. Tips for overcoming challenges. Choose the right partner. Select a knowledgeable implementation partner for guidance. Invest in training. Prioritize user training to ensure effective system use. Secure support. Ensure access to dependable support, whether in-house or third-party. Start small. If new to SAP SLCM, begin with essential modules and expand as you grow accustomed to the system. By following these steps, institutions can navigate the complexities of SAP SLCM and harness its capabilities to enhance student services. Why choose SAP SLCM for managing the student life cycle? All-in-one solution. SAP SLCM offers a complete suite of tools to handle every aspect of the student life cycle, from admissions and enrollment to grading, financial aid, and alumni relations. This simplifies your operations and boosts efficiency. Seamless integration. SAP SLCM seamlessly integrates with other SAP solutions like ERP and CRM, ensuring smooth data flow and enhanced reporting across your institution. Flexibility and scalability. Whether you're a small college or a large university, SAP SLCM can adapt to your needs, making it suitable for educational institutions of all sizes. Continuous innovation. SAP consistently updates and enhances SLCM, guaranteeing you access to the latest technology for managing student data. Specific benefits of SAP SLCM. Enhanced student service. Students can use a self-service portal within SAP SLCM to access records, register for courses, and view grades, improving their overall experience. Increased efficiency. Automation within SAP SLCM reduces the need for manual tasks, making your operations more efficient. Cost savings. By streamlining processes and eliminating redundant systems, SAP SLCM helps cut operational costs. Informed decision-making. SAP SLCM provides valuable insights into student data, aiding better decision-making. If you seek a comprehensive and forward-thinking solution to manage the student life cycle, SAP SLCM is the ideal choice for your institution. Advantages of choosing for SAP SLCM. Here are some of the advantages of choosing SAP SLCM. Comprehensive student life cycle management. SAP SLCM covers all aspects of the student life cycle, from admissions and enrollment to course registration and grading to financial aid and graduation. This makes it a one-stop shop for managing student records and academic progress. Improved student services. SAP SLCM can help you improve your student services by streamlining processes, reducing manual errors, and providing real-time data access. This allows you to focus on providing the best possible student experience. Increased efficiency and productivity. SAP SLCM can help you increase efficiency and productivity by automating tasks and workflows. This frees up your staff to focus on more strategic initiatives. Reduced costs. SAP SLCM can help you reduce costs by eliminating the need for paper-based processes and reducing the time and effort required to complete tasks. Improved decision-making. SAP SLCM provides comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities that can help you make better decisions about your students and your institution. In addition to these advantages, SAP SLCM is also a scalable and flexible solution that can be adapted to meet the needs of educational institutions of all sizes. It is also supported by SAP's global network of experts, so you can be confident that you will get the help you need when you need it. If you are looking for a comprehensive and integrated student lifecycle management solution, then SAP SLCM is a great option to consider. How to get started with SAP SLCM? Getting started with SAP SLCM is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance your student lifecycle management. Here's a simple guide to help you on your way. Assess your needs. First, identify which aspects of your student lifecycle management need improvement. Determine the key features that are most important to your organization. Choose the right SAP SLCM solution. SAP SLCM offers various editions, catering to different organization sizes and budgets. Select the edition that aligns with your requirements. Implement SAP SLCM. Partner with an experienced SAP expert to ensure a smooth implementation process. Their expertise will be invaluable in setting up SAP SLCM effectively. Train your staff. Once implemented, provide training to your staff on how to use SAP SLCM. Utilize SAP's training resources, including online courses and workshops. Support your users. Offer ongoing support to your staff after they've been trained. This includes addressing their queries, troubleshooting issues, and keeping them updated on new features. Additional tips. Start small. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to implement all features at once. Begin with the most essential ones and gradually add more as needed. Gain buy-in. Ensure your staff understands the benefits of SAP SLCM and how it will improve their work. Get their buy-in before proceeding. Create a plan. Develop a clear plan outlining your goals, timeline, and budget for SAP SLCM implementation. Thorough testing. After implementation, conduct comprehensive testing to confirm that SAP SLCM functions correctly. Monitor and adjust. Continuously monitor and assess the usage and effectiveness of SAP SLCM in your organization. Make adjustments as required to optimize its performance. By following these simplified steps and tips, you can smoothly embark on your SAP SLCM journey and enhance your student lifecycle management process. How to use SAP SLCM to manage your student records. Managing student records with SAP SLCM is a breeze when you follow these simple steps. Set up and configure. Start by configuring SAP SLCM to fit your needs. Define your student record data model and ensure your security settings are in place. Create and manage student accounts. Input student demographic details, enrollment info, and academic progress data to create and maintain student accounts. Track enrollment and progress. Keep tabs on student enrollment by recording course registrations, grades, and transcripts. Generate reports. Easily generate reports like transcripts, grade summaries, and enrollment details using SAP SLCM. Here are some handy tips. Automate with BPM. Use SAP SLCM's business process management to automate tasks, making your processes more efficient. Integrate seamlessly. Connect SAP SLCM with other systems, such as finance and learning management, for a smoother student experience. Prioritize security. Protect student data with user roles and permissions, ensuring only authorized users access sensitive information. Leverage reporting. Make informed decisions by using SAP SLCM's reporting capabilities to track student progress and identify trends. How to use SAP SLCM to manage your student admissions. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, is a comprehensive software solution that assists educational institutions in handling the entire student journey, from enrollment to graduation. Among its notable features, SAP SLCM excels in managing student admissions. Here's a concise guide to using SAP SLCM for student admissions. System setup. Configure SAP SLCM to process student applications and monitor their progress. Application management. Create and oversee student admission applications, either manually or through an integrated application portal. Application review. Carefully assess applications for completeness and accuracy, determining whether to admit each applicant. Communication. Keep applicants informed about their admission status, utilizing email, phone, or other communication methods. Offer management. Issue offer letters to accepted applicants and track their acceptance status. Practical examples. Online applications. Utilize SAP SLCM to simplify the admissions process with online application creation and management. Status tracking. Stay organized by tracking the status of each admission application, ensuring timely processing. Data-driven insights. Generate reports from SAP SLCM to make informed decisions and enhance student recruitment. How to use SAP SLCM to manage your student course registration. SAP Student Lifecycle Management (SLCM) is an effective software solution designed to assist educational institutions in overseeing the entire student journey, from admissions to graduation. Among its standout features, SAP SLCM offers a seamless course registration process. Here's a straightforward guide on how to leverage SAP SLCM for student course registration. System setup. Begin by configuring your SAP SLCM system to align with your institution's specific requirements. This involves tasks like creating academic calendars, defining courses and programs, and establishing student accounts. Create registration schedule. Set up a registration schedule outlining the dates and times when students can enroll in courses. Open registration. Grant students access to the course registration process, allowing them to register either through a user-friendly self-service portal or by reaching out to the registrar's office. Manage registrations. Efficiently oversee student course registrations by approving or denying requests, managing waitlists, and facilitating necessary changes to course selections. Generate reports. Utilize SAP SLCM's robust reporting capabilities to access various reports that provide valuable insights into student registration activities. Here are some additional tips for optimizing your use of SAP SLCM for course registration. Leverage Rules Engine. Make full use of the course registration rules engine to define intricate rules governing the registration process. For instance, ensure that students meet prerequisites or set limits on the number of courses they can register for each semester. Course registration workflow. Simplify the approval process with the course registration workflow, automating the decision-making for course requests and reducing administrative burdens. Reporting tools. Gain valuable insights into registration trends and patterns using the reporting tools provided by SAP SLCM. These insights can help you refine course planning and scheduling. In conclusion, SAP SLCM is an excellent choice for institutions seeking a comprehensive solution to streamline and enhance their student course registration processes. With its robust features, SAP SLCM can simplify workflows, reduce manual tasks, and ultimately elevate the quality of student services. How to use SAP SLCM to manage your student grading and academic progress. To effectively manage student grading and academic progress using SAP SLCM, follow these simple steps. Create grading rubric. Begin by setting up a grading rubric for each course you teach within SAP SLCM. This rubric should outline the assignments and activities to be graded, along with their respective point values. Enter student grades. Once the grading rubric is in place, input student grades into SAP SLCM. You can do this manually or import grades from external files like spreadsheets. Automated grade calculation. SAP SLCM will automatically calculate student grades based on the established rubric and the grades you've entered. View student grades. Easily access student grades within SAP SLCM. You can check individual student grades or view class lists displaying grades for all students enrolled in a particular course. Track academic progress. Utilize SAP SLCM's reporting tools to monitor student academic progress over time. These reports offer insights into individual course performance and overall academic achievement. Here are some helpful tips for effectively using SAP SLCM for student grading and academic progress management. Clear communication. Share the grading rubric with students to clarify your expectations and what is required for a good grade. Timely grading. Enter grades promptly to help students stay informed and make necessary adjustments to their academic efforts. Identify struggling students. Utilize SAP SLCM's reports to identify students who may be facing challenges and provide them with additional support. Collaborate with peers. Collaborate with fellow instructors to exchange grading best practices and ensure consistency in grading across different courses. By following these steps and tips, you can efficiently harness SAP SLCM to manage student grading and foster academic progress. How to use SAP SLCM to manage your student financial aid. To use SAP SLCM to manage your student financial aid, you can follow these steps. Set up SAP SLCM for student financial aid. This involves configuring SAP SLCM to track the different types of financial aid that your institution offers, as well as the requirements and application process for each type of aid. Create student financial aid accounts for your students. These accounts will store all of the information about each student's financial aid, such as the types of aid they are receiving, the amount of aid they are receiving, and the status of their application. Track student financial aid applications. SAP SLCM allows you to track the status of student financial aid applications from the moment they are submitted until the moment they are approved or denied. Award student financial aid. Once a student financial aid application has been approved, you can use SAP SLCM to award the student the appropriate aid. Disburse student financial aid. SAP SLCM allows you to disburse student financial aid to students electronically, directly into their bank accounts. Manage student financial aid compliance. SAP SLCM can help you to manage student financial aid compliance by tracking student eligibility requirements, financial aid disbursement limits, and other important factors. Here are some additional tips for using SAP SLCM to manage student financial aid. Use SAP SLCM to automate your student financial aid processes. SAP SLCM can automate many of the tasks involved in managing student financial aid, such as tracking applications, awarding aid, and disbursing aid. This can help you to save time and resources. Use SAP SLCM to generate student financial aid reports. SAP SLCM can generate a variety of reports that can help you to track your student financial aid program, such as reports on the number of students receiving aid, the types of aid being awarded, and the amount of aid being disbursed. Use SAP SLCM to integrate with your other student information systems. SAP SLCM can be integrated with your other student information systems, such as your student registration system and your student accounting system. This can help you to streamline your student financial aid processes and improve data accuracy. If you are looking for a comprehensive and efficient way to manage your student financial aid, then SAP SLCM is a great option. SAP SLCM can help you to automate your processes, generate reports, and integrate with your other student information systems. How to use SAP SLCM to generate student reports. To create student reports in SAP SLCM, follow these straightforward steps. Navigate to the Reports section within the SAP SLCM menu. Choose the type of report you require. Options include enrollment reports, academic progress reports, and financial aid reports. Define the report's criteria, such as student name, ID number, or grade level. Click on the Generate Report button. SAP SLCM will promptly generate the report, presenting it in a new window. From there, you can print, save as a file, or view it online. Here are some quick tips for efficiently generating student reports. Save frequently used report templates in the Report Templates tab to save time in the future. Customize the report's layout and format using the Report Parameters tab. Apply filters to refine report results using the Report Filters tab. Export reports to different file formats, like PDF or Excel, using the Report Export tab. Should you require assistance with generating student reports in SAP SLCM, don't hesitate to reach out to your SAP SLCM administrator or support team. How to use SAP SLCM to improve your student services. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, is a software solution that significantly enhances the quality of student services at educational institutions. Here's how it can benefit you. Effortless admissions. SAP SLCM automates the admissions process, simplifying and expediting student enrollment. Seamless course registration. It assists students in course registration while helping you manage course capacities and waitlists efficiently. Real-time academic progress. Keep track of student grades and academic progress in real time, and easily identify those needing extra support. Financial aid management. Manage financial aid applications and awards effortlessly, and monitor the performance of your financial aid programs. Comprehensive reporting. Generate various student reports, such as transcripts, enrollment, and financial aid reports, enabling informed decisions for your student services programs. Beyond these advantages, SAP SLCM serves as a central platform for overseeing the entire student life cycle, resulting in improved efficiency, cost reduction, and a more consistent experience for students. Here are some practical tips for harnessing the full potential of SAP SLCM. Automate tasks. Use SAP SLCM to automate routine tasks and workflows, allowing your staff to focus on personalized student support. Data analysis. Leverage the data collected by SAP SLCM to identify areas where your student services can be enhanced. Effective communication. Utilize SAP SLCM to maintain clear communication with students and their families, keeping everyone informed about deadlines, events, and policy changes. Interdepartmental collaboration. Foster collaboration among different departments within your institution using SAP SLCM to ensure consistent and coordinated support for students. In conclusion, SAP SLCM is a robust tool that can significantly improve student services at educational institutions. By implementing these tips, you can maximize its potential and create an enhanced student experience. How to implement SAP S/4HANA LTMC in your organization. To effectively implement SAP SLCM in your educational institution, consider the following steps. Assess your needs. Begin by identifying your institution's goals for implementing SAP SLCM and pinpoint the specific student life cycle management processes that require automation or enhancement. Select the right partner. Choose an experienced SAP SLCM implementation partner with a proven track record in serving educational institutions. Ensure they understand the unique requirements of your institution. Create a project plan. Develop a clear project plan that outlines the timeline, budget, required resources, and key stakeholders involved in the implementation. Configure SAP SLCM. Customize the SAP SLCM software to align with your institution's specific needs. This includes configuring business processes, data fields, and security roles. Migrate your data. Safely import data from your existing Student Information System (SIS) into SAP SLCM. Ensure a meticulous migration process to prevent data loss or corruption. Provide staff training. Conduct comprehensive training sessions for your staff to ensure they are proficient in using SAP SLCM, covering everything from basic navigation to advanced features. Test and deploy. Pilot test SAP SLCM in a controlled environment. Once you are satisfied with the results, proceed to deploy the software in your production environment. Offer ongoing support. Post-implementation, provide continuous support to your staff. Assist with troubleshooting, address queries, and train new team members as needed. Tips for getting the most out of SAP SLCM. Here are the tips for optimizing your use of SAP SLCM in a concise and human-generated format. Customize for your institution. Tailor SAP SLCM to match your unique needs. Customize fields, reports, and integrate it with other systems like your LMS. Automate student processes. Let SAP SLCM handle tasks such as student records, admissions, and grading. This frees your staff for more strategic work. Harness insights. Use SAP SLCM's reporting capabilities to track student progress and trends, aiding informed decision-making. Train your staff. Ensure your team is well-versed in using SAP SLCM for maximum efficiency and student service. Leverage support. SAP provides online documentation, training, and a support portal. Tap into these resources when needed. Additional tips. Enhance student communication. Improve the student experience by using SAP SLCM for timely updates on enrollment, academics, and financial matters. Support strategic goals. Align SAP SLCM usage with your institution's goals, whether it's boosting enrollment, retention, or cost efficiency. Stay updated. Keep an eye on SAP SLCM updates for new features and improvements, ensuring you make the most of your investment. By following these simple steps, you can maximize the benefits of SAP SLCM and enhance the overall efficiency and effectiveness of your educational institution. SAP SLCM Best Practices. SAP SLCM Best Practices. The best practices for implementing SAP Student Life Cycle Management (SLCM). Plan thoughtfully. Before diving into SAP SLCM, create a clear implementation plan. Define your goals, allocate necessary resources, and set a realistic timeline for completion. Gain stakeholder support. Ensure that students, faculty, staff, and administrators are on board with the system's implementation. Their buy-in is crucial for successful use. Customize for your needs. Leverage SAP SLCM's flexibility to tailor it to your institution's unique requirements. Customize the system to align with your specific workflows and processes. Thorough user training. Invest in comprehensive user training to empower your staff. Well-trained users are less likely to make errors and can make the most of the system. Utilize reporting tools. Harness SAP SLCM's reporting capabilities to track student enrollment, academic progress, and more. These insights can drive improvements in student services and decision-making. Automate manual tasks. Let SAP SLCM automate routine manual processes like enrollment, registration, and grading. This frees up your staff for higher-value tasks. Integrate with other systems. Seamlessly integrate SAP SLCM with your financial and learning management systems. This integration streamlines operations and enhances efficiency. Stay updated. Keep your SAP SLCM system up to date by regularly installing SAP's updates. This ensures you have access to the latest features and enhancements. Seek expert support. Don't hesitate to reach out to SAP or qualified SAP partners for assistance. They can provide guidance during implementation, offer training, and help troubleshoot issues. By adhering to these best practices, you'll maximize the benefits of SAP SLCM for your educational institution. SAP SLCM Support Resources. Here are some SAP Student Lifecycle Management (SLCM) support resources in a concise SAP Help Portal. This is your go-to place for official SAP SLCM documentation and information about other SAP products. SAP Community. Join the SAP SLCM community on this forum to ask questions, get assistance, and exchange ideas with fellow SAP SLCM users. SAP Customer Support. For paid support, reach out to SAP Customer Support via phone, email, or chat. In addition to these SAP resources, you can explore third-party support options from SAP partners and discover online content like blogs, articles, and videos. Here are more SAP SLCM support resources you might find valuable. SAP SLCM Implementation Guide. This step-by-step guide helps you implement SAP SLCM in your educational institution. SAP SLCM Best Practices Guide. Discover best practices for effectively using SAP SLCM. SAP SLCM FAQs. Get quick answers to common questions about SAP SLCM. SAP SLCM Training Materials. Explore SAP's training materials, including online courses, instructor-led sessions, and self-paced learning materials. These resources will aid you in navigating and optimizing SAP SLCM for your educational needs. SAP SLCM Career Opportunities. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, is a comprehensive software solution that's increasingly in demand in the education sector. It covers everything from student admissions to graduation, and this demand is leading to exciting career opportunities. Here are some common roles in the world of SAP SLCM. SAP SLCM Consultant. These experts assist educational institutions in setting up and customizing SAP SLCM software. They also provide training and support to users. SAP SLCM Administrator. Administrators handle the day-to-day management of SAP SLCM, including tasks like user account management, system configuration, and performance monitoring. SAP SLCM Developer. Developers create and customize reports and integrations within SAP SLCM, enhancing its functionality. SAP SLCM Business Analyst. Business analysts collaborate with educational institutions to understand their specific needs and implement tailored SAP SLCM solutions. SAP SLCM Project Manager. Project managers lead the implementation and configuration of SAP SLCM at educational institutions, ensuring projects stay on track and on budget. These are just a few of the roles available. You can also apply SAP SLCM skills to positions like Education IT Manager, Systems Analyst, Data Analyst, Quality Assurance Analyst, and Training Manager. To prepare for a career in SAP SLCM, consider these steps. Get certified. Earning SAP SLCM certifications can showcase your expertise to potential employers. Gain experience. Internships, volunteer work, or contract projects are excellent ways to build hands-on experience with SAP SLCM. Network. Connect with other professionals in the field through online and offline communities to discover new opportunities and expand your network. With the right skills and experience, a successful and rewarding career in SAP SLCM awaits you. SAP SLCM Salary Expectation in India. Salary expectations for SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, professionals in India can vary based on factors like experience, skills, and location. On average, according to PayScale, SAP SLCM professionals in India earn around 6,50,000 rupee per year. The typical salary range for these professionals in India spans from 3,50,000 rupee to 10 lakhs rupee per year. However, those with substantial experience and sought-after skills, such as cloud computing or data analytics, can command salaries exceeding 15 lakhs rupee per year. Location also plays a role in determining salary levels. Professionals working in major cities like Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad generally earn higher salaries compared to those in smaller cities or rural areas. To boost your salary prospects, as in SAP SLCM professional in India, accumulate experience. Gaining more experience can lead to higher salary expectations. Develop high-demand skills. Skills like cloud computing, data analytics, and artificial intelligence are highly sought after by SAP SLCM employers. Opt-in certifications. SAP certifications validate your expertise and can result in better salary offers. Negotiate your salary. Don't hesitate to negotiate your salary when offered a position. Conduct research to determine your market value and be willing to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations. Why choose for SAP SLCM online training? Discover the compelling reasons to opt for SAP SLCM online training. Convenience and flexibility. Learn at your own pace from anywhere in the world with 24/7 access to training materials. Cost effectiveness. Save on travel and accommodation costs compared to traditional in-person training. Personalization. Tailor your learning experience to match your unique needs and preferences. Focus on specific modules and allocate time as you see fit. Up-to-date content. Stay current with the latest updates in SAP SLCM through regularly updated online training materials. Community support. Connect with fellow learners in an online community where you can ask questions, share insights, and receive support. Additional benefits. Experienced instructors. Benefit from the expertise of experienced instructors who possess in-depth knowledge of SAP SLCM. Hands-on learning. Engage in practical learning with hands-on exercises and simulations to reinforce your understanding. Certification preparation. Some online courses prepare you for the SAP SLCM certification exam. For those committed to mastering SAP SLCM, online training offers a versatile and effective learning path. Explore the diverse range of SAP SLCM online courses available to find the one that aligns with your specific needs and budget. Start your journey towards expertise today. Advantages for choosing of SAP SLCM online training. Opting for SAP SLCM online training offers numerous advantages. Flexibility. You can learn at your own pace and from anywhere in the world, accessing training materials 24/7 to fit your schedule. Convenience. No need for travel, saving time and money. You can learn comfortably from your home or office. Affordability. Online training is often more cost-effective than in-person options, eliminating travel and accommodation expenses. Personalization. Tailor your learning experience to your needs and preferences, focusing on the topics most relevant to you. Effectiveness. Studies show online learners can be just as effective, if not more so, than in-person learners. Additional benefits of SAP SLCM online training include diverse course selection. Choose from a wide range of SAP SLCM online courses to find the one that suits your requirements. Expert instructors. Learn from experienced instructors who are experts in SAP SLCM. Hands-on experience. Many online courses include practical exercises and projects for real-world SAP SLCM experience. Certification. Complete an online training course and pass an exam to earn certification in SAP SLCM. If mastering SAP SLCM is your goal, online training is a flexible, cost-effective, and effective choice. Topics covers SAP SLCM online training. Here's a more concise and simplified version. SAP Student Lifecycle Management, SLCM, online training covers a wide range of topics to effectively manage the student journey. These include student records, tracking enrollment, academic progress, and financial aid. admissions, managing applications, transcripts, and interviews. Course registration, handling course selection, prerequisites, and conflicts. Grading and progress, tracking grades, GPA, course completion, and credits earned. Financial aid, managing aid applications, awards, and disbursements. Reports, generating transcripts, academic progress, and financial aid reports. Student services, enhancing services with student access and process automation. Additionally, you may delve into configuration and administration, setting up and maintaining SLCM. Security and compliance, ensuring data security and regulatory compliance. Reporting and analytics, using data for insights. Integration, connecting SLCM with other SAP systems. Best practices, implementing effective SLCM strategies. Specific topics covered vary by training provider, but all aim to equip you with the skills needed to effectively manage the student life cycle using SAP SLCM. Research different training programs to find one that suits your needs. Why choose ProExcellency for SAP SLCM online training? Discover the top reasons to choose ProExcellency for SAP SLCM online training. Expert instructors benefit from our certified SAP instructors with extensive experience in teaching SAP SLCM, ensuring you receive top-notch guidance and knowledge. Comprehensive curriculum. Our training covers all vital aspects of SAP SLCM, including student records management, admissions, course registration, grading, financial aid, and reporting, keeping you up to date with the latest software releases. Flexibility and convenience. Access our online training from anywhere, at your own pace, with 24/7 availability of course materials. Community support. Join our exclusive SAP SLCM learner community for collaborative learning, Q&A, and idea sharing. Instructor support. Our instructors are always ready to assist you, ensuring your success. Certification preparation. Prepare effectively for the SAP SLCM certification exam, a crucial step for your career advancement. Why ProExcellency? Proven success. Thousands of students and professionals have succeeded with ProExcellency's SAP SLCM training. Affordable pricing. Our training is budget-friendly compared to other programs. Training variety. Choose from self-paced, instructor-led, or blended training options that suit your needs. Customer satisfaction. We are dedicated to your satisfaction. If you're not happy, we'll make it right. Ready to excel in SAP SLCM? Contact ProExcellency today to explore our online training programs. Our contact. Here are the people you may get in touch with to learn more about us. 08031508687 vertical bar. +918722079509. info@proexcellency.com vertical bar afan@proexcellency.com. proexcellency.com. Thank you for your attention.